Okay guys, welcome back. So let's quickly cover CleanSpark. We did talk about this name, we covered this name, and I even posted it in my Discord and Patreon and all that stuff. So right here, right now, 20%. Okay, stock did break out 2350 recent highs, and we still have one more hour. It's drifting higher with the overall crypto, and this is the chart of CleanSpark, right? So this downtrend breaks out, comes tested, and breaks out back. So here are the levels to watch should you chase this name at this point, because this stock, well, it will not be easy for the most people who are trying to trade it. Okay, just by looking at the chart, you can see that it's not gonna cleanly like trade up and up, trend higher and higher all the way to the infinity. And here are the levels you should watch if you are trying to get in at the resistance and get out at the resistance. I mean, at least these are the levels that I'm watching. I'm not trading this name. I don't have a position, but just go back to the 2021, right? These highs where it was trading at 41, 42, 30, 25. So these are the levels from here to watch. So 25.50, you want this level to act as a support if you are watching, basically, if you are trying to, let's say, trade it. If I want to trade this name, if this stock slips below 23.50, it has a lot of room to fall. My reward would be only $1.50 because 25 is a resistance as well. So ideally between 25 and 30 bucks, that's the bigger risk reward. So if it clears 25, I'll be watching 30. These are the two levels I'm keeping an eye on for CleanSpark. In terms of option activity, yes, there's a lot of flow, implied volatility. I did try to grab something in the morning, but just by looking at the IV, I canceled my order. So I am looking at the IV on a weekly, so March 28th. So this week is short week. Also, you need to understand that implying $3 move from here. Stock is at 23.80, implying another $3. So very expensive. I know it can move, but option activity. There's a lot of outside of the calls coming in. There's a lot of inside of the calls coming in. Puts versus calls. 110,000 calls being traded so far. 38,000 puts being traded so far. And most of the calls that came in today and that are still coming in, I mean, there are some that have a time, which is June 30 call, April 30 calls. I'm seeing June 35 calls, March 30 calls. I mean, March 28th, a lot of March 28th, but I like these ones that are coming in with the, I don't know, but these are expensive though. $30 call for $5 going into June. But again, this could be purely day trade, somebody coming in, buying, flipping. You have to keep an eye on open interest and follow the option activity if you are very, very interested in this mining stock. Yes, other miner stocks could be more attractive if they catch a bit. Right here, right now, Mara is slightly higher, and we talked about Mara yesterday where I was basically covering CleanSpark, that CleanSpark has a better chart to go higher. So Riot is catching a bit as well, 10%, but again, look at the chart. Like, it has a lot of resistance, a lot of volume to fight through versus CLSK. So right here, right now, yes, I'm watching this name to the upside, but at the same time, you need to keep an eye on BTC. Yes, BTC catching a bit. If this moves a lot higher, let's say takes out recent highs of 74Ks, well, it'll make it, yes, it will make it easier for CleanSpark to drift higher. But if it stalls or if it chops, it won't be easy for many of you to trade CleanSpark. And no matter what the stock does, if you are trying to trade options, you might end up losing money. So watching this 23.50 as a close, because right here, right now, well, this will be, if it anywhere it closes, it will be the highest close for the past 2.5 years. Anywhere it closes, it never closed at this level since 2021 April, actually. So 3 years. So this is a 3-year high. So big level. Still watching this name to the upside. So that's the update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next one.